Hi! Hope you've been keeping well since the last video. Today we are unboxing an Apple iPhone XS Max, the big one. Let's have a little look at it and see what. So, as always with the Apple products, it's a nice looking box. This model in particular is, as I say, the XS Max. It's in the graphite grade. It's 256 gigabytes. So let's see how we open. As always, lovely. A little instruction booklet holder with designed by Apple California on the front. The iPhone XS Max. That feels quite substantial. A couple of some earphones. A charging cable. USB plug. And that's everything that's in the box. So let's have a little bit more of a look in depth at the Apple iPhone Max XS. So, substantial could be a word. It is a large, beautiful piece of glass and technology, the XS Max. But with a large piece of beautiful glass and technology brings the danger of breaking. So how do you look after it? How do you protect it? There's countless screen protector options and cases out there. But in the business world, sometimes it's nice to have something that you can slot the odd card in and bits of information and use as a wallet. Now, they are available. We've got one here. This little leather effect. I call it leather effect because it's not leather. We'll hold the phone. There's like a photo ID slot, and then there's an additional 2 credit card slots. In the back there's a bit of a wallet area, and and it does the braking up bit, so you can stand it, tilt it, and all of that. Let's take this out and let's see how it fits, whether it does fit. Well, that's gone. First bit's gone in okay. Don't know about the rest of it. Yeah, that's slotted in there. That's obviously a fairly big accessory, but it holds it. I must say that I feel a little bit more confident with. So, what are your thoughts? What cases do you put your phone in, or don't you? Do you just take the risk? Let us know in the comments below. It'd be interesting to get the feedback off our subscribers, how they like to look after their phones. Because that's actually quite thin. That's not too bad. That'll fit in a wallet. It is big. Would it be awkward in jeans? I think because of the size of it. Get any bigger, and it's an iPad, isn't it? Anyway, so I hope this little accessory section has been interesting. So that's the close-up look at the Apple XS Max. I think you'll agree, specification is amazing. The fact that it hasn't got the button, I don't know. It's the way forward, you know, no buttons apparently. Anyway, so I hope you have found this short video interesting, and if you want to look at some of our other videos, you'll find more in-depth reviews and information on business products and services. You'll also find them on our website. So if you did like the video, if you'd like to see more, maybe consider subscribing or even giving us a thumbs up. But thanks for watching today, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Thanks then, bye.